Hi, I'm Martin Dunn here at Makita, and here we have the BVC350 18 volt cordless dust extractor. It comes supplied with a shoulder strap which is easily adjusted in the length. Also comes supplied with a 3 litre capacity dust bag, pipe and the various adapters for fitting onto the tools. The pipe is easily fitted into the front of the machine like so. It has a top carrying handle and we have an off button and a high and low setting. That is the BVC350 dust extractor. It's light, it's compact, and comes in its own when you're working in areas where there's no power. And it is available now at Toolstop.